This is the Canados Gladiator 493, and there are some things you need to know about this thing. It's built in Italy, it's fully customizable, as in blank sheet of paper, whatever you want goes. And think of it as an American sports fisher with an Italian twist. It's $2.2 million you see it on the water. I'm really looking forward to showing you around this one, so let's get going. I'm Jack Haynes, welcome to YachtBuyer. Let's start back here. This is a performance machine. It's got a deep V triple stepped hull. And as you can see in this guy's, three 600 horsepower Mercury V12s. Really nice that they're unbranded and color coded to the rest of the gel coat on this thing. They look really, really smart. You can have another one of these. You can have four 450s. You can also have inboards, which gives you, if you don't have the inboards, a huge amount of storage space. In this area here, there's a button here, just pops up. And you've got a massive void down there where you've got the generator, the optional quick seakeeper, and just loads of storage space to stick all of your kit. Now actually this layout is quite interesting. They call this the Florida spec. We've actually got the identical version of this boat with inboards over there, and that has the traditional European arrangement where you have the U-shaped seating and a sun pad. This has got this central, really sociable seating area with the fold-out table, protection overhead from the canopy, but crucially, what they wanted to give the Americans was their bar space. So you have this permanent bar here, triple bar stools, and then you have the space in between so you can stand and hold court, look over the seating area, and you've got everything around you to keep your guests happy. By that I mean you've got your grill down here, you've got sink and chopping board on this side, and then underneath it's all cooling space, so you've got plenty of space for your beers and your food. Carbon fibre T-top overhead. It's nice that there's some glass in that, so you get some light coming down. It's a big, thick structure. If it was solid, it might make it a bit dark, but they've thought of that. And then we're at the Helm Station, and what a Helm Station it is. They use the same leather as you get in Ferraris, and I love this Gladiator logo that's stitched into the back of the seats. It looks really, really smart. And the arrangement means that the helmsman is smack bang in the middle here with the best view possible. Got the throttles right underneath your hands. This thing will do 40 knot cruise, 55 knots flat out. So it is a real performance machine. It's an attractive carbon fibre littered helm station. It's very clear, it's very clean, very easy to use. It really does look the business. Then right forward, you've just got sunbathing and seating space. But there's more to it than just deck spaces, of course, because we've got a nice interior down below as well. So let's go and have a look at that. Down here then, on something that is clearly such a boat designed to be living on deck, there's actually a really decent interior down here, and it's absolutely littered with carbon fibre. In fact, this boat is £2,000 lighter than the one next door, between the fact it's got lots of carbon fibre and it's got the outboard engine. So you're saving weight as well as the fact it's looking good. And you've got some more storage down here. You've got obviously the open plan berth back here, but that's a decent size. Okay, headroom over the top of the bed isn't great, but you're supposed to be lying down anyway, right? And then you have a separate cabin back here for a bit of privacy if you have got guests on board, and also a separate bathroom. Now, 4 of you aren't going to be on here for a week together, but for a couple, this is perfectly comfortable. Thanks very much for watching that tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a like. If you like big, fast Italian things, we've got a tour of the Pershing GTX 116 up here. Over here, you can click and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for watching. I'm Jack Haynes, and this is YachtBuyer.